Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends black screen after champion select. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First things you need to do is go ahead and open up your task manager and end all the tasks related to League of Legends. So you want to scroll down or just type in here and write down League of Legends. If there's none, that's okay. You want to just end the tasks. The same for the Riot client. Just go ahead, choose it, and end the task, just like so. Once you will do that, you want to go ahead and find the League of Legends shortcut on your desktop, and you want to go ahead and go to Properties, just like so. Then go to compatibility and make sure that disable full screen optimizations is ticked on, and then click apply and OK. You want to do the same for the Riot client shortcut too, just like so. Open up properties, then compatibility, and make sure that disable full screen optimizations is ticked on. Now you want to go ahead to your C drive, and on C drive you want to find Riot Games, open it up, then choose League of Legends, then scroll down until you will see League client, and you want to go ahead and go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that disable full screen optimizations is enabled to, ticked on, checked basically. Then you scroll to the top and you should see a file which is named game. For me, it's not available now, but basically you want to again go to game folder and find League of Legends shortcut. Basically, it will look something like so. And you want to do the same, also disable full screen optimizations. And that should fix our problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.